Is your Xbox app stuck on updating or refusing to update on your Windows PC? You're not alone. This issue can prevent you from accessing your favorite games and services. In this video, we'll guide you through simple and effective step-by-step solutions to fix the Xbox app update problems and get it running smoothly again.
First, open the Start menu, then open Settings. Open Apps. Open Apps and Features. Locate Xbox. Click on the three dots. Click on Advanced Options. Locate Reset and select Repair. If that didn't work, click on Reset. Press Reset. If that didn't work, press Uninstall. Press Uninstall. Close your Windows settings. Search for your Xbox app. Select Xbox app. Press Get. Wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. Press Open. Sign in to your account or press Browse the catalog. First, open the Start menu. Type PowerShell. Press Run as administrator. Press Yes. Copy the first command that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell frame and select Edit. Select Paste. Now press Enter to uninstall GamingServices. Copy the second command that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click PowerShell and select Edit. Click on Paste. Now press Enter. Press Get to download GamingServices. Press Yes. Wait for GamingServices to be downloaded and installed. Type Exit and then press Enter. Now GamingServices should be installed.